Good morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Am I audible? Okay. Right. So, did you guys?
Hello.
Did you guys revise? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, good then. So did you guys revise yesterday? Whichever I told you to revise, see from NCRT. Did you guys do it? No? Yes? No? Yes? No? Which one is it? Guys, I'm audible, right? Are you there? Yes, please. So, did you all revise? Because I told you, right? It's related to rivers, which you guys should read and revise from the NCRT. Did you guys do it? Because that's what we are going to discuss for a while now. Right, anyways, I'll do my duty. Okay. Question is statement one. The North Indian rivers originating from the Himalayas are perennial in nature as they are fed by glaciers through snowmelt and also receive rainfall water during rainy season. Okay. Statement two is the rivers of South India do not originate from glaciers and their flow pattern witness fluctuations. Okay. Options are one only, two only, both one and two, neither one nor both one and two. Right. Good. Next question. Consider the following about Jhelum River. Okay, Jhelum River. So only those people who study from NCERT can answer this one. So, anyways, I'll tell this. First statement. It forms meanders in its youth stage, a feature associated with the mature stage of the rivers. Okay. Statement two is this is due to local base level provided by the erstwhile larger lake. What is the answer? Statement options are one only, two only, both one and two, neither one or. Yeah, sure. Statement one. It forms meanders in its youth stage. Okay. A feature associated with the mature stage of the rivers. Okay. Statement two is this is due to the local base level provided by the erstwhile larger lake. So, you people should understand one thing. Did you study about Jhelum River? Jhelum River? One and two. Okay. Yes, Jhelum River. Good. Answer is C. Both one and two. Okay. Because Jhelum River forms meander, okay, in its youthful stage. And the reason is there was a larger lake present in this region a long time ago. Okay. And due to the tectonic activity of this region, due to the Himalayan mountain, what happened is this larger lake was filled with deposits and the lake is gone because of the deposition. Okay. So the Jhelum River, which formed after that, it flowing through this region started forming meanders, even though the Jhelum River is in youthful stage because of the depression that was created by the larger lake which used to be present in this region. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, right. So next question. Okay, so this question is river and the source of the river. Okay, first Jhelum, okay, Sutlej, Bias, okay, source Verinag, okay, Rakas Lake, then Rohtang Pass. Options are 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1, 2, 3, none. What is the answer? Jhelum Verinag. Okay. What about Sutlej? Jhelum is Verinag, then Sutlej should be, because there are only two options where Jhelum Verinag becomes correct. That is statement option 1, that is option A, and option C. So which means in both the options 2 is present. So Sutlej origination is at Rakas Lake. Then what about Bias? Does it belong to Rohtang Pass? Yes, good. Answer is C, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then next question. River Luni and Sabarmati originates in which of the following hills? Okay. Options are Mahadeo Hills, Vindhya Hills, Aravalli Hills, then Raj Mahal Hills. Mahadeo, Vindhya, Aravalli, Raj Mahal. What is the answer? What is the answer, guys? Aravalli. Any other answers apart from Aravalli?
Aravalli.
Any other answers apart from Aravalli? Good. Aravalli is the answer. Right. Shall we move on to next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Statement 1. The drainage pattern that resembles the branch of a tree is known as dendritic pattern. Okay. Statement 2. In the radial drainage pattern, the streams radiates outwards from a central high point. Okay, that is first one, dendritic pattern. What they are saying is tree branch like structure. Okay, in the radial pattern, the streams radiate, okay, outwards from a central high point, that is a mountain like place, the central high point. From that, if it radiates, it is called radial. Okay, that is what they are saying in the second statement. Okay, third statement is the river originates from the Amarkantak range, present a good example of dendritic pattern. Okay, I hope you remember this word Amarkantak. Do you remember Achinakmar Amarkantak range? Okay, Achinakmar Amarkantak range, which is in Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh region border. Achinakmar Amarkantak, which means it is in Western Ghats. So what they are saying is the river that originating from Amarkantak is a great example of dendritic pattern. So, which means Amarkantak means South India Peninsular River. Can you tell me exactly or precisely which river it is originating from Amarkantak? Then statement 4 is the rivers of northern plains are examples of radial pattern. Okay, the rivers of northern plains, that is Ganga and Brahmaputra and Indus, is what they are saying. Examples of radial pattern. Okay, options are 1 and 3 only, 3 and 4 only, 1 and 2 only, all the above. So what is the answer? One, two, three, four. Afla? No. See, Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus are known for dendritic pattern. Isn't that right? They get joined by other rivers in a branch-like structure. Ganga also, Brahmaputra also, Indus also. Then definitely it is not radial. If statement 4 is wrong, you have only two options, that is 1 and 2 only or 1 and 3 only. So tell me which one is correct. One and two, because you know the peninsular rivers are known for radial pattern, not dendritic pattern. Okay, the rivers of northern plains are examples of dendritic pattern, and the statement 3, Amarkantak range, presents a good example of radial pattern. So just interchanged. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move to next question? Guys, shall we? Oh, good. So next question is, the river acts as a geographical border between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. The river has its origin in Western Ghats, just north to Mahabaleshwar. Okay. Then statement 3 is rivers Koina and Tungabhadra are important tributaries. Okay. The above statements describes which of the following river? Options are Krishna, Godavari, Kaveri, Mahanadi.
Krishna.
River Krishna, right? Simple as that. Thus, Koyna and Tungabhadra are the tributaries of River Krishna, and it forms the border between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. That's why Krishna river water dispute is there between Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Even before the partition, when it was Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, okay, even before the partition, there was a problem between the north Andhra Pradesh and the south Andhra Pradesh regarding this water sharing issue. Right, anyways. Next question is, okay, I don't remember whether we saw this question already or not, but anyways, which of the following statements regarding Andaman and Nicobar Island are correct? Okay, statement 1, these islands are divided by 10-degree channel. Statement 2, the entire island group is built up of coral deposits. Third statement, Car Nicobar is the largest island in this group of islands. Options are 1 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, 1, 2, 3. What is the answer?
So options.
Not getting what?
The third statement.
Yes, Car Nicobar is the largest island in this group of islands. One and two, 1 and 2. Anyone else with any other answers apart from 1 and 2?
Two and three.
2 and 3. Okay. So majority 1 and 2, minority. Oh, different types of answers are there. Right? Answer is not 1 and 2. Majority fails this time. Answer is not 1 and 2. And answer is not 2 and 3 also. Answer is 1 and 3. Yes, Andaman and Nicobar is separated by 10-degree channel. That is correct. Andaman and Nicobar is made up of volcanic origin. Don't you remember? It is Lakshadweep which is called Coral Island, not Andaman and Nicobar. Do you remember, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is Lakshadweep which is made up of corals, not Andaman Nicobar. Andaman Nicobar origination is because of the volcanic eruption. Okay, it's volcanic origin. So statement 2 is wrong. So answer is 1 and 3. Okay. Shall we move to next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Guys, small change. It is not Car Nicobar actually. It is Middle Andaman which is the largest. So all the answers you given is wrong. Answer 1. Answer is A. 1 only. Yes, not Great Nicobar, Afla. It is Middle Andaman. Middle Andaman is the largest. Okay. Answer is A. Next question. The Western Ghats are comparatively higher in elevation and more continuous than Eastern Ghats. Okay. Statement 2 is height of the Western Ghats increases from north to south. Okay. Options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. What is the answer? Right? Good. Answer is 1 and 2. That is both 1 and 2. Answer is C. Okay. Next question. To which of the following island archipelagos do the islets of Kavaratti and Agatti belongs to? Okay. Options are A. Andaman Nicobar, B. Islands of Gulf of Mannar, C. Lakshadweep, D. Island of Mumbai Harbor.
Lakshadweep.
Lakshadweep, right? Simple as that. Kavaratti and Agatti. Okay. Which of the following river is not a tributary of Indus? Okay. Options are A. Hansa, B. Nubra, C. Shayok, D. Bhagirathi.
Option D, Bhagirathi.
Right? Good. Simple. Okay. Arrange the hills of peninsular India from south to north. Okay. Arrange the peninsular India from south to north. Options: Cardamom, right? Anamalai, Nilgiri, then Javadi. Arrange from south to north. What is the answer? If you arrange it from north to south. So already it is arranged. Right? Yes. Answer is ABCD. It is already arranged correctly from. Okay. So Cardamom, Anamalai, Nilgiri, Javadi. This is how the arrangement itself. Right. Then we shall move to previous year questions then. Okay. So from 2005 to 2020, okay, 2020. So totally 16 years of question paper. Okay. So what is the answer for this question? Mount Saint Helen.
Japan.
Japan. Are you sure about that? USA. Okay. Think about it. If it is there in Japan, do you think they will name it as Saint Helen? Japan is the first one which you should eliminate. See the name, man. Even the currents are called Oyashio, Kuroshio. Right? Hokkaido, Hokkaido, Hunzo. This is how the names of Japan are. Then I don't understand. How will they name it as Saint Helen? That's what you should eliminate first. Right, anyways? Which of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Capital and country. You understand, right? The questions before 2010, this is how it is. Very rudimentary. What is the answer? Okay. Dominican Republic, capital Santo Domingo. That is correct. Okay. Bahamas, Nassau is the capital. That is correct. Costa Rica, capital is San Jose. That is also correct. Nicaragua, capital is Managua, not Belmopan. Belmopan is the capital of Belize. Okay. Now we are speaking. So, guys, come on. This is a good question here. Right? The axis of Earth's magnetic field is inclined at 23.5 angle to the geographical axis of the Earth. Statement 2 is the Earth's magnetic pole in the northern hemisphere is located on a peninsula in northern Canada. Statement 3 is the magnetic equator passes through Tumba in South India. So, what is the answer?
Sir, option A.
Option A. Oh. Are you sure that the axis of Earth's magnetic field is inclined at 23.5 degree? Magnetic field, Earth's magnetic field.
Sorry, sir, my mistake. Option B.
Option B, you mean 2 and 3. Okay, let's see. Guys, what is exactly 23.5 degree angle is? What is that? Is it Earth's magnetic field or is it something else? 23.5 inclination. Is it related to magnetic field? Right? Earth is an inclined axis. 23.5 degree inclined axis is in the Earth's orbit. Okay, it is not Earth's magnetic field. Orbit of rotation, orbit of revolution. Right? Don't get confused. This is how UPSC will confuse you in the examination. Okay, your mind will get fixated to 23.5 degree. Okay, once you get fixed your mind to 23.5 degree, you will forget what exactly they are asking here. Okay, if you forget that, then gone. That's why I said read the words, think whether it is true or false, true or false, true or false. Okay, if you read this statement with the mentality of going for finding the truth or false, you will understand that it has got nothing to do with the Earth's magnetic field. Okay, we studied so much about the Earth's inclination and illumination and everything. We never saw anything related to magnetic field when we spoke about Earth's inclination of 23.5 degree. Okay, this you know, Earth's magnetic pole in the northern hemisphere is located in the which island? Which island is it? Come on, guys, we have a lot of questions to see. Good. Ellesmere Island, right? The Earth's magnetic equator passes through Tumba. I said you already, right? Equator. Okay, wherever equator is there, you can see launching stations. Reason is escape velocity, right? Because gravity is low. So of course, third statement should be correct because logically it is correct. Okay. Next question. In which of the following oceans Diamantine Trench is situated? So of course, the questions are prior 2010. This is how you can expect answer is C. So this one should be fun. Either of the two belts over the oceans at about 30 to 35 degree north and south latitudes is known as horse latitudes. Horse latitudes are low pressure belts. What is the answer? What is the answer, guys? D. Oh. So only Apple is answering. What about you all people? One only. Okay. Answer is A. One only. Because that is correct. Either of the two belts over the oceans, yes, that is called horse latitudes. We discussed a lot about this, right? This is where descendants of air mass happens, a calm belt, right? Because of the descendants of air mass, what happens is it's very difficult to go in a ship during this period. So they throw horse at this latitude. That's why it becomes horse latitudes, right? Horse latitudes are high pressure belt, not low pressure belt. It's a very simple one. I don't understand why you guys are taking so much time. Right, anyways, next question is, annual range of temperature is greater in the Pacific than in the Atlantic Ocean. Statement 2 is, annual range of temperature is greater in the northern hemisphere than in the southern hemisphere. At least one you should be knowing that. One you should be knowing, right? What is the answer? Go for it. What is the answer, guys?
Both 1 and 2.
Huh?
Both 1 and 2.
Both 1 and 2. Okay. So people who chose both 1 and 2. Second statement, of course, we know annual range of temperature is greater in northern hemisphere than in the southern hemisphere. Because in northern hemisphere land is more. Since land is more, the influence of the land is there. So of course the annual range of temperature would be greater, right? Southern hemisphere, it is full of water bodies, so of course it is more stable. So my question is, how do you come to the conclusion that statement 1 is correct? How did you come to the conclusion that statement 1 is correct? Guys, are you there? Yes, please tell me that. One is wrong. Okay. So answers be Bombay. So next question is about albedo. What is the answer? What is the answer? Answer is A. Okay. Albedo of Earth is more than the albedo of Mercury. Right, anyways. What is the answer here? Just a minute. Afla, you want me to explain B? Okay, sure. So you mean albedo of Mercury is much greater than the albedo of Earth? This is what you want me to explain, right? It's a self-explanatory. I don't know, right? Okay, anyways, albedo of Mercury is much greater than the albedo of the Earth is wrong because Mercury has low albedo than the Earth. Earth has more albedo. Earth has greater albedo than the Mercury. Because if you observe from a distance, Earth shines like a blue light in the sky. Okay, whereas Mercury, it is white in color, but it won't shine like the Earth. Okay, so Earth has more albedo. Right, anyway. So, answer for this one. For India, China, UK, and USA, which of the following is the correct sequence of the median age of their population? C. Okay. Answer is B. Bombay. India, the youngest. China, older than India. USA, even older than China. Then UK, much older than India. Just a minute, guys. I'll be back. Hello, all. Am I audible now? Okay. Right. Next question is, in order of their distance from the sun, which of the following planets lie between Mars and Uranus? You know, it's a very simple question, right? What is the answer? Right, simple. Answer is B, Bombay. Then, which of the following planets has largest number of natural satellites or moons? So, of course, you know, it differs from year to year. One time it was Jupiter, one time it was Saturn. Okay, so now it is Saturn, anyways. Then it was Jupiter. Right. In the structure of the planet Earth, below the mantle, the core is mainly made up of which of the following? So, which of the following, guys? Very simple one, right? You all know the answer. I hope you all know the answer. Yes, good. Iron, Fe, C. Okay. In 2010, a new type of El Nino called El Nino Mudaki appeared in the news. In this context, consider the following. Okay. Normal El Nino forms in the Central Pacific Ocean, whereas El Nino Mudaki forms in the Eastern Pacific Ocean. Okay. Normal El Nino results in diminished hurricanes in the Atlantic Ocean, but El Nino Mudaki results in a greater number of hurricanes with greater frequency. What is the answer, guys? What is the answer here? A, okay. D, oh, okay. Afla, Anantu is your roommate, right? Where did he run away? He's not here in the class now. Okay, cool. Guys, come on. You all know about El Nino Modaki, right? El Nino appears in the Peruvian coast, right? El Nino appears in the Peruvian coast. If you consider Pacific, El Nino means the change that happens in the Eastern Pacific. But what it says here is El Nino forms in the Central Pacific Ocean. Do you think it is correct? Do you think it is correct? It happens in Peruvian coast, which means east. Okay. Guys, come on. Answer is B, Bombay. See, one thing you should keep in mind in UPSC is that if you know one statement is wrong, okay, here, as far as I have taught you, you should be able to answer this. You are in a position to answer this because so many times I told El Nino Modaki is where Central Pacific Ocean changes. Okay, thereby creating differences in the eastern and western. Sometimes what happens is two Walker cells also forms during El Nino Modaki. I don't understand why you guys made statement B. That is correct. See, diminished hurricanes in the Atlantic Ocean means one region it is more rainfall. So of course, the other region it is not going to get more rainfall. Okay. So if statement one is wrong, always, okay, in this type of questions in UPSC, if you are not sure about the other statement and you are very sure about one statement is wrong, the answer you should choose is the other statement. That is, if you know one is wrong, no idea about two, then choose two. That is two only. Okay. If you know two is wrong and no idea about one, choose one. Okay. If you know that statement one is right, no idea about two, go for C, that is both one and two. If you know statement two is correct, no idea about statement one, then go for C. Basically, what I'm saying is don't go for D. The reason is, again, it's a very simple reason called probability and max. See, there are 20 questions in UPSC, like these two type statement questions. The distribution should be like 5 for A, 5 for B, 5 for C, 5 for D. This is how the distribution should be. Okay, of course, this is ideal now. Okay, in UPSC, it won't be the case. Sometimes what happens is 4 questions will be there in A, 6 questions will be there in D. Okay, so it differs, but however, this is how ideal it should be. Okay, mathematically, if you choose A, B, C instead of D, what happens is you have the chance of getting correct for 15 questions and 5 questions wrong. Okay, instead of that, if you go for D, okay, what happens is 15 wrong, 5 correct. In which one will you score high? In which one will you score high? Exactly. Viju, so you got answers, you got your answer right? If it is neither one nor two, what happens is it's okay. If 5 questions wrong, who cares? You are getting 15 correct, right? So your mark will get boosted. Okay. So try to do this. But anyways, try applying this for all the coming questions. Okay. Now you have another one here. Biodiversity hotspots are located only in tropical regions. Okay. India has 4 biodiversity hotspots, that is Eastern Himalayas, Western Himalayas, Western Ghats, and Andaman Nicobar Islands. What is the answer? What is the answer, guys? A. Okay. Mubashir, one more thing. While answering in UPSC question, wherever only exists, okay, almost 80 to 90% of the times when only appears in the question, it would be wrong. Okay, is it clear? Only, drastically, okay, only, drastically, enormously, then any other Elise? Only, drastically, enormously, anything else? Come on, guys, anything else? Basically, yeah. Okay. No, they basically won't come in UPSC exam. Right, anyway. So what I'm trying to say is there is something called sweeping statements in UPSC. Okay, sweeping statements. Sweeping statements means this is what sweeping statement is. When they use the words like only, drastically increased, enormously increased. Okay, those kind of words, when they use it, then the statements are called sweeping statements. Okay, and also consider all the students of alchemy, okay, attend the class regularly with utmost focus. Is it true? All the students of alchemy attend the class regularly with utmost focus. Very false. No, Arjun. I know, man. It is not true at all. Okay. So that's what for any statement, right? How can you say that biodiversity hotspots are there only in tropical regions? Why not? Okay, why not in other regions? See, if you consider that, then India's Eastern Himalayas lies in which region? Is it in tropical region or temperate region, guys? India's Eastern Himalayas, does it lie in tropical region or temperate region? Temperate, right? Then how can you say that biodiversity hotspots are only located only in tropical regions, right? It would be a blatant mistakes if you do this kind of mistakes. Okay, don't do this kind of mistakes. So no, statement one is wrong. India has 4 biodiversity hotspots. Okay, no, don't worry. Eastern Himalayas, yes, you know, Eastern Himalayas rich of diversity, tropical rainforest, so which means more flora, more fauna. So yes, that should be correct. Western Himalayas, guys, Western Himalayas. Tell me, in Western Himalayas, rainfall is low. Okay. Compare the states which are there: Uttarakhand, Jammu and Kashmir, Leh Ladakh, okay, Himachal Pradesh. Do you think these regions can be considered as a biodiversity hotspot region? Answer is B, Delhi. None of the above. Okay. Biodiversity hotspots in India, one is Eastern Himalayas along with Burma, that is Myanmar region. Then Western Ghats, okay, along with Sri Lanka, Andaman region. Okay, these regions are hottest hotspot region or hotspots region. So be careful. Next, with reference to the river Luni, which one of the following statement is correct? You know about river Luni, right? Yes. What is the answer? It is lost in the marshy land of Rann of Kutch. Good. Answer is D, Delhi. You know, river Luni, ephemeral. We discussed about it. Okay. What causes wind to deflect toward left in the southern hemisphere? It is magnetic field, right? Apla, VCR. Answer is C. I'm just trying to pull your legs. I don't know why you guys are choosing B. It's so absurd. Answer is C. You know, deflection of the earth, Coriolis force. Right, anyways. A layer in the Earth's atmosphere called ionosphere, which facilitates radio communication. Why? The presence of ozone causes the reflection of radio waves to the earth. Oh, second statement, radio waves has a long wavelength. Which of the statements given above these are correct? What is the answer? What is the answer? D. Uh-huh. Seriously, guys, what happened to you all? Do you know about Ramayana? Do you guys know about Ramayana? Yes, right? Okay. How is Sita related to Rama? How is Rama related to Sita? Wife. Okay, there is a saying in Tamil, okay, where they say, விடிய விடிய கதை கேட்டுட்டு காலையில ராமனுக்கு சீதா என்னன்னு கேட்டா சித்தப்பான்னு சொன்னா அப்படின்றது. That's what you are doing. Right, anyways. Next question. Which of the following these are cited by the scientists as evidences for the continued expansion of universe? Answer is D, Delhi. Both the statements are wrong, because ozone is present in stratosphere and the radio waves have very long wavelength. That is true, but that is not the reason why the ionosphere facilitates radio communication. Okay, radio waves have a very long wavelength. That is true, no doubt in that. Okay, but that is not the reason. This is what I said. In UPSC, sometimes what happens is they give you the right statement, but the right statement is not right for the given question. That's what happened here. Right. So what is the answer for this one? Answer is A, 1 and 2 only. Okay, detection of microwaves and the observation of redshift phenomenon. Okay, then consider the following factors. Which of the above factors influence the ocean current? What is the answer? Good. 1, 2, 3. Revolution of the earth has got nothing to do with the ocean current. So answer is B, Bombay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then which of the following pairs is correctly matched? What is the answer? Where is Atlas Mountain? Okay, Atlas is a mountain from North Africa, Northwest Africa. Okay, so answer is B, Bombay. Yes. Then variations in the length of daytime and nighttime from season to season are due to, what is the reason? Revolution of the earth on a tilted axis. D, B, B, D. Answer is okay. Question is about the variation in the length of daytime and nighttime. Okay. Yes, I get it. That's why the UPSC purposely gave it. Okay. The day and night change, the length is what they are asking. Guys, wait a minute. I'm not convinced about this answer. Okay. Even my mind is fixed to D only.
Sir, D, sir, is it D? I
What
didn't.
you are asking?
Sir, is it D answer? I didn't get why B.
B Bombay or D Delhi you are asking?
Sir, my answer was D, but you said B. So can you explain?
Yeah, sure, I will explain, but I don't get which one you are saying now. B or D. It sounds the same to me.
Sir, D, last one.
D,
My
D
answer.
Delhi. Okay.
Yeah.
So my answer would also go to D Delhi only, because I'm not. That's what I'm saying. B, I'm not sure about it because I'm not. My mind is not fixed to B Bombay. My mind is fixed to D Delhi only. Because see, one thing I also understand is that the Earth's revolution, that is true. Okay, but in elliptical manner has got nothing to do with the length of daytime and nighttime. Okay, right? So this answer, even I am not convinced with this answer B Bombay. If I were there, I would go for D Delhi only, because this explains it clearly. Revolution is there and it is on tilted axis. That is why 6 months day and 6 months night for the poles. Okay, the change in the length of the daytime, the change in the length of the nighttime, as far as I understand, it is because of the tilted axis of the earth in a revolution, right?
Yes, sir.
Elliptical manner, no, it has got nothing to do with it. Okay, because the change in the length of daytime and nighttime in the summer solstice and winter solstice can be best explained with the option D only, not with option B. Okay, maybe this is wrong. Okay, right, sometimes UPSC does that mistake. It would be unfortunate if we are there during that exam time. Okay, so answer is D only, not B Bombay, it's D Delhi only, without any doubt. Right, anyways, next. The phenomena might have influenced the evolution of organisms. Going in elliptical causes decrease at places. Not getting you, Afla. Going in elliptical causes decrease at place means what decrease? These two are equinox position. Sun shines vertically, so equal day and equal night all throughout the world. Whereas here, Okay. Longest day, longest night, longest day, longest night. So, right, guys, what is the answer for this question? Yeah, simple as that. See, both are correct. Next, consider the following statements. The wind which blow between 30° north latitudes and 60° south latitudes throughout the year are known as westerlies. The moist air masses that cause winter rains in the northwestern region of India are part of westerlies. So, what is the answer for this question? What is the answer for this question? B. Bombay. Right. Good. Answer is B. Bombay. Because 30 to 60°, okay, the winds which blow between 30° north and 60° north is called westerlies. Right. Whereas, if you consider the entire region, 30° north to 60° south, not at all possible. Right. So, answer is B. Bombay. What is the answer for this question? D. Right? Yes. So, it's a wonderful question. Each day is more or less the same. The morning is clear and bright with a sea breeze. As the sun climbs high in the sky, heat mounts up, dark clouds form, the rain comes with thunder and lightning, but rain is soon over. Which of the following statements, regions is best described in the above passage? Right? What is the answer, guys? B. Afla, why do you confuse with D, Delhi, Mediterranean? Mediterranean means, I told you, right? Keyword is winter rainfall. Every day is same. That's what they are saying. Each day is more or less the same. That's what I told you, right? 24/7, 365 is the same there. Every day morning, sun will rise and clouds will form, evaporation, condensation. Every day by afternoon 2 o'clock or by evening 4 o'clock, there will be rainfall every day and the rain will be over. Next day again sun will rise, clouds will rise, rainfall, done for the day. Next day again sun will rise, cloud will rise, rainfall, done for the day. This is how it is. This is what equatorial climate is. Okay, so these kind of questions you cannot expect nowadays. Right? Which of the following is the correct sequence of the given continents, the decreasing order of the percentage of Earth's land? This is also a very simple question. You can answer it. Right? Bermuda Triangle extends up to which of the following places? Okay, so of course these kind of questions are current affairs in that period, because Bermuda Triangle, you know, it was a huge issue with the Bermuda Triangle. Okay, answer is B, Bombay. That is southern Florida and Puerto Rico. This is where you can see Bermuda Triangle. Then, Hangpu River flows through which one of the following cities? Answer is C, that is Shanghai. Okay, Copacabana Beach located in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Okay, this one you can answer. Which one of the following cities does not have the same clock time as that of the other 3 cities at any given instant? So they have given the countries and the cities. London, UK, Lisbon in Portugal, Accra in Ghana, Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. So, which means 3 cities are in the same longitude. Okay, only one city is in a different longitude. So you have to find which of the city is in a different longitude. What is the answer? Ethiopia. Okay. Where is Ethiopia? Don't tell me it is in Africa. Okay, I know that. In Africa, which part of Africa I'm asking?
East side. East side.
Eastern side, right? Yes.
One among the own countries.
Yes, it comes under seed countries. Okay. So answer is D, Delhi, that is Addis Ababa. Okay. Whereas all the 3 other cities, London, Lisbon, Accra, all lies in the same longitude as the Greenwich meridian. Yes, Moshe, it is a seed country, Ethiopia. Right? Which among the following countries have the largest livestock population in the world? Which country?
China.
Huh? USA. That's why you are doing mistake. Answer is C. India has the largest livestock population in the world. Okay, 57% of world's buffalo, 14% of the cattle population is there in India. Okay, then how come India is not a meat exporting nation? The reason is, you know, religious reason. Okay, but however, Gujarat is the state that exports the largest, or Gujarat is the state, the largest exporter of meat in India. Right, anyways? Malta. Answer is the Bombay, Mediterranean. Okay. Not correctly matched. What is the answer? Berlin, Rhine. Oh. Answer is A, Berlin, Rhine. Good. Next. Geographical feature on the country. Great Victoria Desert. Grand Canyon. You know. Right. So A is 1, B is 4. Only one option is there. Right? It's simple one. Okay. Which one of the following can one come across if one travels through the Strait of Malacca? What is the answer? You know Strait of Malacca, right? Singapore. Okay. Right. Simple as that. Singapore lies in the tip of the Malay Peninsula. Okay. Yes. That's not necessary. Which one of the following pairs of island is separated from each other by the 10-degree channel? What is the answer? A. Right. Good. Yes. This one you should answer. Turkey is located between. Turkey is located between.
Option B.
Option
B.
B.
B. Bombay, Black
Yeah.
Sea and Mediterranean Sea. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Yes. Good. See, this is what I said. Strait of Malacca came right. Black Sea, Caspian Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Gulf of Suez. Okay. Dead Sea. Whichever I told you guys will come, it came and it is what going to come. Okay, there's nothing else. Then now, countries in news and the regions. Where is Darfur region? Darfur region. What is the answer? Where is Darfur region? Guys, what is the answer? Don't you remember this Darfur region?
Yes, sir.
I told you in Africa, right? About this Darfur region. Okay, answer is
Sudan.
A. Darfur is in Africa and Swat Valley is in Pakistan. Right. Okay. Correct sequence of occurrence of the cities from south to north they are asking. Right? South to north. Where is Jakarta? Where is Bangkok? Where is Singapore? Good. Jakarta is in Indonesia. Singapore is in Malay Peninsula. Bangkok is in Thailand. Where is Hanoi? Even if you don't know, you can try to answer right. Of course, 3 should come first. That is, before Singapore, 3 should be there. So 3, 4, 1. How many options are there like this 3, 4, 1? From south to north, if you arrange, how many options are there where the arrangement of the order is like 3, next 4, next 1? right? There is only one option like that, which is the C. Which one of the following countries of Southwest Asia does not open out to the Mediterranean Sea? Which one is it? What is the answer? What is the answer, guys? Jordan, you are asking me. Okay. Yes, Jordan. Okay. So you guys go for a break and come back. Then we'll discuss about this Indian geography. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Hello, guys. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, guys, the other question, which we were little confused. So the answer is B only. That is the one we chose. The change in the length of the day and night is because of the revolution of the earth. Okay, revolution of the earth on the tilted axis is the reason for change in the length of the day and night from season to season. Is it clear?
Sir, okay, sir.
Okay. Because see, just imagine something. Okay, just imagine something that is, instead of elliptical orbit, if you consider a circular orbit also. Okay, instead of elliptical orbit, if you consider the circular orbit also, what happens is the change in the length of day and night will occur because it is in tilted axis. Okay, and it is revolving around the sun. Am I right? Even if it happens in a circular axis, this is how it is. Is it right?
Sir, answers D, no? D for Delhi.
Which one you are asking?
Sir, the same one. What are you saying?
Yeah, answer is D, Delhi only.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, because as I said, if you change the elliptical orbit to circular orbit also, it will remain constant. That is, the change in length of the day and night will happen, irrespective of whether it is an elliptical orbit or a circular orbit, because it is in tilted axis, right? So D is the correct answer, without any doubt. So I checked during this break time from UPSC key and everything. So answer is D only, that is the revolution on tilted axis. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then fine. Bonla Wildlife Sanctuary, Kangergati National Park, Orang Sanctuary, Ushakoti Wildlife Sanctuary. What is the answer? Right? Answer is B, Bombay. Bonla Wildlife Sanctuary is in Goa. Kangerghat is in Chhattisgarh. Orang in Assam. Ushakoti is in Odisha. Right? So, anyways, this is the previous year question, and it's not any more relevant for us. Okay, this is also not relevant for us. Anyways, answer is B. In Raipur, we have diamond bearing kimberlite. Okay, then this is also not necessary, not important for us now. Which one of the following is not essential a species of the Himalayan vegetation? What is the answer? Mahogany. Okay. Mahogany belongs to, okay, not necessarily. Then, which of the following hills are found where the Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats meet each other? Simple, right?
Sir, C.
Right, simple as that, Nilgiri. Okay, so which of the above is our biodiversity hotspots? See, questions came from biodiversity hotspot again and again. So what you should understand is biodiversity hotspots are important for UPS. First answer.
Sir, C.
Answer is B, Bombay. Guys, northwestern Australia va biodiversity hotspot. Come on, guys. You know about Australia, right? Eh?
Sorry, sir, my mistake.
Right. To consider Australia somewhat like this, right? Somewhat like this. Northwestern Park, you know, it consists of what? Here's where Darwin is. Okay. Desert region, right? Center region, northwestern part comes under desert region. The northeastern comes under coral. So northeastern part of Australia can be classified as a hotspot region, not the northwestern part. So eliminate the third statement, and whatever the remaining is the answer. Answer is B, Bombay. Okay, next, in India, which of the following state has the largest inland saline wetland? Inland saline wetland. Rajasthan, right? Yes, it is Rajasthan. Then, so it's about wildlife sanctuary, biosphere reserve, and national parks. So the boundaries of a national park are defined by legislation. A biosphere reserve is declared to conserve a few specific species of flora and fauna. Okay. In a wildlife sanctuary, limited biotic interference is permitted. So what is the answer? One, two, three. Yeah. So you are saying that a national park is defined by legislation. So what you are saying is every year or from year to year, when government wants to denote a region as national park, it is legislating. That is, it is putting in the parliament for legislation purpose. Is that right? Yes, it is. Okay. So answer is C. A biosphere reserve, definitely, guys, it's not about few specific species. It's about the entire ecosystem. That is why man and biosphere reserve concepts are there of UNESCO, biosphere reserves of India are there. So, of course, second statement is wrong. Okay, this is what I said. A sweeping statement. A few specific species. Never the case with biosphere reserve. It's simple only. Okay, all you have to know is, all you have to understand is a simple concept and basic understanding, nothing else, a common sense. Right, next question. Following the characteristics of an area in India, Annual rainfall 200 centimeter. Hot and humid climate is needed. Hill slopes are needed. Temperature 15 to 30 degrees needed. What is the answer? Pepper. Right? Because for cotton, hill slopes are not needed. Okay. Tobacco in India, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana region is where tobacco is hugely grown, which means it's a dry condition region. Mustard is a rabi crop. See, there are three types of crops. Okay. Kharif, Rabi, the other one is the summer crop. Kharif means when rainfall is there, that is okay during rainy season. Rabi is during winter season, winter crop, and this is the summer crop. For Kharif crops, rainfall is needed heavily, but for Rabi, it's okay, no problem, less rainfall, fine. Okay, summer season, watermelon, okay, all those things. So of course, mustard cannot be the answer. Okay, so answer is pepper. Next, between India and East Asia, the navigation time and distance can be greatly reduced by which of the following? Deepening the Malacca Straits between Malaysia and Indonesia, then opening a new canal across the Kra Isthmus, which is between Gulf of Siam and Andaman Sea. What is the answer? Right, two only. Okay, so deepening is not necessary, broadening is necessary. Okay, the lower Gangetic Plain is characterized by humid climate with high temperature throughout the year. Which one among the following pairs of crops is most suitable for this region? Hot region, humid region. Lower Gangetic Plain means delta region. Delta region means you can understand. What is the answer? C, paddy and jute. Right? Paddy and jute is the answer. Delta means paddy. It's simple as that. Okay. Jute is a crop where heavy rainfall, humid climate, high temperature is there. There only jute can be grown. Okay. Bangladesh, West Bengal, known for jute cultivation. Wheat cultivation, cotton cultivation means Punjab region along with the Pakistan region. Unfortunately, what happened by the partition was that jute cultivating areas, important jute cultivating areas went with Bangladesh, that is East Pakistan, the erstwhile East Pakistan, and the cotton growing areas, they went with Punjab of Pakistan. Right, anyways, that the particular state in India has the following characteristics. It has over 80% of its area under forest cover. Okay, over 12% of forest cover constitutes protected area network in the state. It is located on the same latitude which passes through the northern Rajasthan. So what is the answer, guys? Yes, answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Okay. So with reference to the wetlands of India, consider the following statements. So the geographical area under the category of wetlands is recorded more in Gujarat as compared to the other states. In India, the total geographical area of coastal wetlands is larger than that of the inland wetlands. So what is the answer? What is the answer, guys? Okay, I'll tell you something. Lakes are called wetlands. Okay. Estuaries are called wetlands. Backwaters are called wetlands. Okay. Salt pans are called wetlands. Mangrove forests are called wetlands. And salt pans, I already told you, right? Right. Yes. Paddy cultivation. Okay. The regions where paddy cultivation is done, that is also called wetland. So now you tell me whether the total geographical area of coastal wetlands is larger than inland wetlands or not. So the total geographical area under the category of wetland is recorded. Is it more in Gujarat or is it more in Rajasthan? Because already you saw something related to Rajasthan and wetlands. Okay. Answer is A. Second statement is wrong because in India, inland wetland is more than the coastal wetlands. Okay. I told you right the other day, national park and the rivers flowing through it. Kaziranga, Assam, Jim Corbett National Park, then Silent Valley National Park. Okay. Answer is D. Jim Corbett National Park, Ganges doesn't flow through. Okay. Silent Valley, it is Bhavani, not Kaveri. Okay. What is the answer for this one? The Narmada River flows to the west. What is the answer? Right? Third statement is wrong because you know the land doesn't slope to the west from central India. The land slopes towards northeast from the central India. So third statement is wrong. If third statement is wrong, you are left with only two options. That is one only, none. And if you know me better, I will always tell you guys to choose one only. Never go for none. Right, anyways. Consider the following towns of India known for sari fabrics. What is the answer? Right? Answer is B, Bombay. Okay, that is 2 and 3 only. National highway, cities connected. You have to memorize it, no other way. Then, what is the answer? Right? Yes, Meghalaya. Which of the following is a tributary of Brahmaputra? What is the answer, guys? Tibong, Kameng, Lohit. Answer is D. Okay. So that was the reason, means that year it was recent. Okay. Answer is Rajasthan. So Indian Ocean dipole. So I hope you all can answer this one. Right? What is the answer for this one? Indian Ocean dipole. Sea surface temperature can influence El Nino. What is the answer? Biju is saying answer is C. Okay. Oh. Answer is B, Bombay, guys. Come on, wake up. Read it properly. You will understand why it is wrong. Because IOD phenomenon is characterized by a difference in sea surface temperature. If you ask yourself whether it is true or false, it is true. Between tropical Western Indian Ocean, yes, that is true, and tropical Eastern Pacific Ocean, that is wrong. It is tropical Eastern Indian Ocean. Okay. Do you understand now? Yeah, that's what UPSC will do. I told you, right? You have to keep reading, keep asking yourself whether it is true or false, true or false. Each and every word, you should ask yourself whether it is true or false. See, all that they did was, instead of Indian, they gave Pacific. They changed only one word, and it made a lot difference, huge difference in the answer. This is what they did in the pressure belt system also. 30° to 60°, instead of north, they gave south. Okay, this is what UPSC will do. Be ready for it. Right. What is the answer here? Am I audible? Yes. Okay, what is the answer? I told you one thing, that whenever only comes 80 to 90% of the times it is wrong. But in this option, in this question, all the statement contains only. Then how to choose the right answer? B. Okay, good. Himalayas, 5 states only means you have to think, right? Entire Northeast comes under Himalayas, right? Then West Bengal is there, Uttarakhand is there, Himachal is there. So of course, it's not going to be the answer, right? If you eliminate statement 1, you have left with only 2. That is 3 only, 2 and 3 only, which means 3 is correct. So there's no need to think twice. So consider Western Ghats, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Goa, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so 7 states are there total. Sorry, 6 states are there total. Okay. Right. With reference to River Teesta, consider the following statements. What is the answer? What is the answer, guys? Two only, right? All you have to do is, all you have to know is, River Teesta flows into Bay of Bengal on the border of India and Bangladesh. No, right? Yesterday only we saw Teesta directly cuts through the Bangladesh. It enters into the Bangladesh, in the middle of Bangladesh. Only that much you have to know. If you know that much, that third statement is wrong, then you can directly arrive at the answer, which is B, Bombay 2 only. Okay. So this is a classic question. Kohima to Kottayam, right? So the minimum number of states one has to travel when traveled from Kohima to Kottayam, that is from Nagaland to Kerala. Okay. So minimum states are 7. Then, which one among the following is an artificial lake? So it is Kodaikanal. Okay, right. So the question is about barren islands. What is the answer? Barren islands. The Barren Island volcano is an active volcano located in Indian territory. That is true. Statement 1 is correct. If statement 1 is correct, you are left with only 2 options. One is 1 only, the other one is 1 and 3 only. So whether third statement is right or wrong, that's what you have to do. The last time the Barren Island volcano erupted was in 1991 and it has remained inactive since then. It was wrong, so answer is 1 only. right? So this is what I said the other day. Which one lies on the longitude closest to that of Delhi? Like simple as that. Bengaluru. Guys, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Guys, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
I had some issues with network, so that's why the connection is interrupted. Okay, right? Anyways, Anantu, Vannu. So what is the answer for this one? Shines vertically overhead at the Tropic of Capricorn. Does not set below the horizon at the Antarctic Circle. Okay. So only 2 people are there in the entire class who's willing to answer. Whew, answer is A. Right, simple one. What is the answer, guys? Why are dewdrops not formed on a cloudy night? Answer is B, Bombay. Okay. Next question. Come on, whoever revised it can answer this one easily. What is the answer? Do you remember Black Sea? For Black Sea, what I told? The mnemonics for Black Sea. The mnemonics for Caspian Sea. Yes, Tariq. So, in Tariq, is there Croatia? All you have to know is for Black Sea, there is no Croatia. Right? Is it clear? If you eliminate the statement 2, that is Black Sea, Croatia, how many options are left? Once you eliminate the second one, there is only one option left. You can directly arrive at the answer. Answer is B, Bombay, which is 1, 3, and 4 only. It's very simple, right? All you have to know is the countries bordering Black Sea, nothing else. Even if you don't know Adriatic Sea, fine. Even if you don't know Caspian Sea, fine. Mediterranean, Red Sea, doesn't matter. All you have to know is whether Croatia is there in Black Sea or not. Very simple, right?
Yes, sir.
This is how UPSC questions are. Okay, UPSC questions are not that complex as how people project to you. They are simple, they are fundamental, they are basic in nature. But the only thing is, we humans, right? We don't want to, we don't want to study simple. We always think that, we always feel that, like, hard work is the best. You have to do hard work, you have to struggle. No, nothing like that. Okay, we always contemplate in such a way that only when you are working hard, you are really working. But that is not the case. So what we do is, we'll go for big books. Okay, we'll go for huge voluminous books, which are not necessary for us. We study the subject where only 3 to 4 questions are there, but the books are like 400 pages and 500 pages of books. Right? The other day I was telling you about this 80-20 rule, where 20% of your efforts yield 80% of the results. Your 80% of the effort will yield to only 20% of the result. So the entire preparation, you people concentrate on the 20% effort and 80% result, rather than the 80% effort and 20% result. Okay, it is easy to go from 0 to 80, but it is very difficult to go from 80 to 100. So first, what you do is try to go for 0 to 80. Then you can concentrate on the other things. Okay, UPSC questions are not that difficult, guys. So anyways, come on, tell me about this question. Ocean mean temperature. This is what we discussed the other day, right? Don't get bogged down by these numbers, degree, percentage and all, okay? Just be calm, okay? Think clearly. Don't have any stress or anxiety in the exam, okay? Just maintain your cool tempo, read the statement and try to answer it, okay? Nobody is forcing you there. Just be calm, okay? Read it, try to understand what they are asking you, right? Oh, ocean mean temperature. Of course, nobody has studied ocean mean temperature and all. We know ocean temperature, right? Temperature differs here and there. There are various reasons why temperature is high in certain region, low in certain region. Only that much we know. We know about thermocline and all these things, but nobody knows exactly what it is. Not necessary at the same time. Okay, just read simply and try to understand. Ocean mean temperature is measured up to a depth of 26 degree isotherm. You know about the isotherm, which is 129 meters in the southwestern Indian Ocean during January and March. right? It becomes difficult, it becomes compounded. But read it simply. January to March means which period is that? January to March means which period is that? Guys, are you there? Sun equatorial region, okay. Southwestern Indian Ocean, right? Answer is B, Bombay. It's very simple, right? You think like 129 meters is necessary? At one, the thermocline, if you take, okay, the thermocline, if you take, it can never go to the depth of 129 meters. It's not possible, right? All you have to remember is the thermocline, nothing else. Once you know the thermocline and eliminate the statement 1, of course, the answer is going to be B, Bombay. Right. Consider the following statements. Jet streams occur in the northern hemisphere only. Only some cyclones develop an eye. The temperature inside the eye of a cyclone is nearly 10 degrees Celsius lesser than that of the surroundings. So guys, what is the right answer? Do you think only some cyclones develop an eye? Is that right? Second statement, is that correct? How? How is it correct? Yes, only tropical cyclones develop eyes. Temperate cyclones, they don't develop eyes. The question is not about tropical cyclone, but what people interpret in the examination is, after seeing eye, cyclone, eye of temperature of the eye, they'll fix their mind to tropical cyclone. They never think about temperate cyclone. So what they do is, only some cyclone, no, it is wrong, because all cyclones develop high. That is how they'll think. But unfortunately, the question is not about tropical cyclone. The question is about cyclones generally, which includes tropical as well as temperate cyclones. So second statement is right. If second statement is right, then you have two options. That is 2 only or 2 and 3 only. So do you think the third statement is right? The temperature inside the eye of a cyclone is nearly 10 degrees lesser than that of the surroundings. More than that? No way. Dude. You know that eye of the cyclone is a low pressure zone. To be precise, it is the lowest pressure zone in the entire cyclone. Which region will have the lowest temperature? Do you think the region with high pressure or low pressure? The region with high pressure or low pressure? Where can you see high temperature? Low only. If eye of the cyclone is low, that means temperature is high there. It's simple concept. There's no need for you to know whether it is 10 degrees Celsius lesser. Not the case. All you have to know is eye of the cyclone is a low pressure zone. You know, it is the lowest pressure zone. If it is a low pressure zone, of course, the temperature is going to be high, never low. So the temperature inside the eye of the cyclone is higher than the surroundings, not lesser than the surroundings. So answer is 2 only. Then Siachen Glacier is situated in which region? Right. Answer is D, Delhi. Now, rivers and flows into which region? That's what they are asking. Volga River. You know, Volga River is the important river from Russia. Okay. Mekong. I hope you know about Mekong also. I told you about the Ganga Mekong cooperation is there, which means the Indian subcontinent, Ganga and the Mekong. Do you remember Mekong River? You think Mekong River is there in Andaman Sea? Guys, answer is C. Okay. Come on. Why are you so dull? So this clearly indicates one thing. That is, you people are not revising. For a question and answer session discussion, if you are not revising, I don't know what to do. Right, anyways. So do you guys have any doubts so far? Anything related to how to approach a question, how to answer, what to think? Any doubts? Any doubts related to preparation? Any doubts related to UPSC? Is there anything at all? Notes? Okay, yeah, sure. You mean the slides, right? You will get the slides today. You will get the slides today, don't worry. Yes. Guys, any doubts? Nothing? Okay then. Thank you all. Have a good day. So this is the end of our class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.